sécher,
to dry,
sécher,
to wrap,
vlopper,
to wrap,
vlopper,
to fall,
tomber,
to fall,
tomber,
to translate,
traduit,
to translate,
traduit,
to function,
fonctionner,
to function,
fonctionner,
to cross,
traverser,
to cross,
traverser,
to finish,
fini,
to finish,
fini,
to hide,
cacher,
to hide,
cacher,
to seem,
sembler,
to seem,
sembler,
T-win,
gagner,
T-win,
gagner,
to hate,
raillir,
to hate,
raillir,
to punish,
puni,
to punish,
puni,
to guess,
deviner,
to guess,
deviner,
to clap,
applaudir, battre bravo,
to clap,
applaudir, battre bravo,
to open,
ouvrir, l'ouvrir,
to open,
ouvrir, l'ouvrir,
to close,
fermer,
to close,
fermer,
to recognize,
reconnaître,
to recognize,
reconnaître,
to cost,
coûter,
to cost,
coûter,
to follow,
suivre,
to follow,
suivre,
to cook,
faire manger,
to cook,
faire manger,
to sew,
coudre,
to sew,
coudre,
to lend,
prêter,
to lend,
prêter,
to advise,
conseiller,
to advise,
conseiller,
to learn,
apprendre,
to learn,
apprendre,
to sing,
chanter,
to sing,
chanter,
to recall,
rappeler, souvenir,
to recall,
rappeler, souvenir,
to embrace,
embrasser,
to embrace,
embrasser,
to reject,
rejeter,
to reject,
rejeter,
to exchange,
changer,
to exchange,
changer,
to climb,
grimper,
to climb,
grimper,
to hope,
souhaiter,
to hope,
souhaiter,
to sign,
signer,
to sign,
signer,
to cover,
couvrir,
to cover,
couvrir,
to spend,
dépenser,
to spend,
dépenser,
to dance,
danser,
to dance,
danser,
to vote,
voter,
To vote.
voter,
To travel.
voyager,
To travel.
voyager,